It is raining also here. The same. The same weather, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
We have Miss Umi and then Miss Annie and Miss Swati. If possible, can you open your camera? If not, yeah, it's also okay.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm just having dinner.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, we can talk.
Oh iya, Kak Jana juga.
Aduh.
I'm eating soto. Soto.
That.
Eating fried chicken with veggie.
Oh, okay. Chicken and vegetable. Yes, okay.
Yeah, vegetable.
Okay, good. Miss Annie and Miss Wati, is it possible to open your camera? If not, yeah, it's also okay.
Halo.
Where are you?
Halo.
Ada masalah lah Zoom nih.
Selamat malam semuanya.
Selamat malam. Miss Annie, where are you now? Where is your location?
I'm in Central Java, Purwokerto.
Oh, Purwokerto. I
Yeah.
see.
Salam kenal.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Yes, me too. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to have a relaxed night, yeah, ladies. All ladies, it's good, yeah. All ladies.
Oh, ladies.
I love this. All ladies. Oh, one more, Miss Wati, please. Can you hear us? Oh, I think the connection is not.
Sepertinya saya
It's okay. Connection is not so good, yeah. All right. Before I start, can we have just a little introduction? Also to review the materials from Miss Vita. I will do first ya. Ya, saya manggilnya ladies aja ya. Ya. I will do first. Okay, my name is Susi. I live in Jakarta and I have been working as a teacher since 1999. And my hobby is eating, sleeping, and shopping.
Wah, shopping.
Okay. Yeah. I'm going to start with Miss Novi, please. Continue.
yeah, hello. Good night. My name is Novi. Now I'm work in women organization at SOS Jakarta. Focus for migrant issues.
Okay. Nice to meet you. All right. Yes. Miss Umi.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm Rohatun, but just call me Umi. I'm from Cirebon, West Java. Currently, I live in Malaysia, working here as a domestic worker. Nice to see you, everyone.
Nice to see you too. Thank you. All right. Miss Annie.
Well, hello, good evening, everyone. My name is, just call me Annie. I'm from Central Java, Purwokerto, Banyumas. Basically, I also active in organization for migrant workers. But now I'm staying in Purwokerto. Before, I also live in Hong Kong, Macau, and Singapore.
Wow.
Since 2016, I've been moving to Indonesia. Besides of that, also working as how to call that, in distribusi alat kesehatan, distributor alat kesehatan.
Okay. Wow. Okay, you've been traveling around the world, yeah, Miss Annie.
Yeah, and my organization is called Seruni Paralegal.
Seruni Paralegal. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Nice to see you. Nice to know you.
Thank you. Me too.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Next, please, Miss Jana. Would you mind?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good night, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry. I'm Jana. I'm living in Banyumas or Purwokerto some to any. I'm office at Desmigratif or Desa Migran Produktif. Or dealing with migran issues.
Oke. Ini jangan-jangan Miss Annie dan Miss Wati tetangga.
Yeah,
you
it's not too far. Maybe around
Right, ya?
1.5 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
1.5 hour. 1.5 hour in Jakarta can be only 1 kilometer away because it is very
Yeah, because it's traffic, right? Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Miss Wati.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam.
evening, everyone. My name is Gusmiati, nickname Wati, job domestic worker, organization SBMI. I'm from Jambi, Sumatera.
Oh, Jambi, Sumatera. What is Jambi famous for, Ibu?
Apa?
Jambi, what is Jambi famous for? What is the specialty from Jambi? Apa ya? The food or the fruit or any other specific location in Jambi? Yes.
Maksudnya di Jambi.
Yes. In Jambi, what is the special things from Jambi?
Di Jambi, bahasa Indonesia boleh ya?
Yang spesial di Jambi apa, Ibu?
Oh, itu kita ada kebun teh luas di di Asia.
Oke, tea garden ya, or tea.
Ya, di garden.
Yes, okay, alright. Thank you very much. Okay, and our mystery guest ya, Mas Yoga. Tadi ada yang di grup bilang kok nggak ada cowoknya nih. Saya hadirkan.
Akhirnya bisa melihat Mas Yoga.
Hai, halo Mbak Jana.
For all this time, a very mysterious person dan Mas Yoga ya. You've been very mysterious ya. Nobody seen you before ya.
Well, I know most of the people here.
Okay. All right, everyone, let's have fun tonight. If you want to enjoy your soto, dilanjutkan Ibu Jana, monggo silakan. And then Miss Umi, kalau sedang makan ya, please nasi lemak ya. Apa sih di Malaysia tuh nasi lemak ya?
Nasi lemak. But right now I'm eating fried chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken and vegetable, yeah. Okay, all right. Yeah, it's okay. While you are enjoying your dinner, we are going to talk a bit about, like I said in the group, we are going to talk about gender equality. Okay. Can you? Yes.
Do you mind if I record the session?
I already recorded, Mas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
It's okay. Just to make sure it is not going to fail, you can also record. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So everyone, this is gender equality session. By the end of this session, I wish you will be able to identify and understand some words, related to gender equality and especially the issues behind it. And then we will be also practicing how to read fast to find some main idea and also detail. And then to talk about something happened, finish in the past kita akan mengenang masa lalu malam ini agak-agak melo plus dengan hujan jadi pas gitu. And we're going to share something if we have time. We're going to share some story. Okay, let's get started. This picture, ladies, what do you see?
I see a wall separating two different scan. On the one side is like faceless people applauding with money flying in the air, and a red chair or a throne. A throne is Singgasana, right?
Yes.
Okay, a throne. While in the other side is like people align diverse people. There's also what is that? The bayang-bayang tuh apa ya?
Shadow.
Shadow. Shadow figure on the wall, and then the security or uniform man pointed toward the wall. Yeah.
Okay, that's very detailed. Anyone would like to add more information to the picture? Anyone? Yes, Isyana.
Apa ya? I see women always in the behind, not in the top. Apa sih depan?
In front.
Always second woman as second, not first. Apa sih ada kursi, seperti a chair.
A chair, yes.
Memperebutkan sebuah kursi itu menjadi tidak adil ketika melihat gender.
Okay. Fighting for the chair, yeah, to win the chair, so it's not fair when we are a female, gitu ya Ibu ya, more or less ya. Okay. Who else? Who else wants to share what do you see in the picture? Yes, Miss Annie, please.
Maybe it's right or not, yeah. But I see how to say, I saw some man maybe in the wall is raised his hand when he show a woman in yellow queuing in front. Maybe he asking the woman yellow to step back. Maybe I see that because all of the figure is already telling Omi before is already detailed. I just add some little things only. Maybe I saw that.
All right, excellent. Thank you very much. Okay. How about Miss Wati? Do you want to add something?
Ya, halo.
Yes.
I see men and women, and there is red chair. Apa? Antri ya, lagi ngantri.
Queuing.
Ya.
Yeah, they are queuing. Yes, queuing.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for sharing. Okay, now, from the picture, what do you think this picture means? What do you think this picture means? There is a wall in the middle. What do you think this picture means?
I think the picture is to illustrate inequality and inaccessibility of the successful or wealth, because in that picture the other picture is like a successful people from privileged they have a privilege. That's why they easily get the power. While the other side, it's like they have to struggle to achieve the same successful, or like in the other side, the shadow is like unseen struggle that they must face to achieve the successful like the other side.
Okay, good. Thank you. Others? What do you think this picture means? Anyone else? Miss Annie is very serious. What do you think, Miss Annie?
I've been thinking so hard, but I don't know. I can figure out.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Not now, maybe, yeah. Maybe later. Okay. Others, Miss Jana?
Bingung.
It's okay, Ibu. Bingung pegangan, Ibu. Okay. It's fine. Yeah. But what's in your mind, Ibu? Yang terlintas saja. What is in your mind?
I think somebody comment several people. Mungkin. Maybe.
Yeah. It's okay. All right. Miss Swati, do you want to share something?
I think want to buy tiket konser ya.
Okay. These people is queuing, yeah, want to buy ticket concert. Okay. All right. Now, do you think that this is fair? This situation is fair or unfair?
Unfair.
Unfair.
Okay. All right. Now let's forget a bit about the picture. Now let's focus on this. Okay. Oh, udah mulai pening nih Miss nih. Oke. Jangan dulu ya. Oke, now let's
Because I can't.
It's okay, Bu. Let's just have fun, ya. Okay.
Slowly.
It's okay, Bu. Listen to me and then repeat after me. Okay. The first one, patriarchy.
Patriarchy.
Very good. Consent.
Consent.
Okay. One more time. Consent.
Consent.
Okay. Good. Inequality.
Inequality.
All right. Empowerment.
Empowerment.
Good. Discrimination.
Discrimination.
Adolescent.
Adolescence.
Gender analysis.
Gender analysis.
Gender responsive.
Gender responsive.
Gender-based violence.
Gender-based violence.
Okay. Aggregated data.
Disaggregated data.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, Miss Jana, any question?
Difficult. Last.
Good. Last what, Ibu?
Last one.
Okay, the last one difficult, yeah. Okay. All right. Now let's look and remember.
Patriarchy.
Yeah, this is the picture symbolizing patriarchy. And another picture symbolizing consent.
Okay.
One symbolizing inequality,
Equality.
empowerment,
Empowerment.
discrimination.
Discrimination.
Okay, good. Part 1. Part 2. is
adolescent,
adolescent, yes. And
gender analysis,
yes, very good.
gender
Gender-
responsive,
Yes,
Gender responsive.
gender-based violence,
okay.
what
And the last, disaggregated data.
disaggregated data. Okay.
Very good. Okay.
Lidahnya
Slow, but sure, it's okay.
Banyumas.
Disaggregated data.
disaggregated data.
Miss Jana, one more time.
What? Disaggregated data.
Yeah.
Disaggregated data.
Yes, tuh bisa itu. Semangat. Bisa. Yes, thank you. Miss Wati, are you there?
Disaggregate data.
Yeah, disaggregated data.
Aggregated data.
Very good. Yes, that's it. Okay. Well, these ones are with pictures. What is the definition? Oh, here you are.
The first one is patriarchy.
Okay, how do you? No, yeah, no cheating. No, that's good. That's good. Yeah, good. So the first one is patriarchy. Okay, who can do the next one? It's okay. You can cheat. It's okay. You can cheat. Okay, so this number one. Any volunteer who knows what consent is, or maybe jumping to yang gampang nih saya taunya discrimination ya. It's okay, come on.
Consent is a permission for something to happen or agreement to do something.
Wow. Are you sleeping with dictionary, miss? Just kidding. Okay, yes.
Inequality is, I think, unfair treatment of someone. Oh no,
I think number 3 is gender analysis. Is it?
Number 3, the second period of life from the ages of 10 to
adolescence.
yeah, ages of life, yeah, age. Okay, this one, yeah, adolescent. Good.
Data that is grouped by sex is,
Male.
I think disaggregated data.
Kata kuncinya sama-sama ada data ya, data. Okay. Good one. Okay. Which before ya? Okay.
Situation society. Discrimination, unfair situation in society.
Unfair situation, unfair treatment. Unfair
Unfair
situation,
society.
or unfair treatment. Which one?
I think inequality.
Inequality is number.
Yeah, inequality is number 5.
Or number 5.
Unfair situation in society.
Unfair situation in society, I think discrimination.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Inequality and discrimination, yeah. Both picture something not fair, right? It's unfair. Which one is the situation and which one is the treatment?
Inequality. I'm confused.
Others, can you
Although number 5 is inequality.
Inequality, right?
Yes.
number 5 inequality. So discrimination is unfair treatment of
Yeah.
someone because of
So number
Yeah,
6.
correct.
Uh,
Because of their sex, right? Race and religion.
okay. Agree on this? Agree, yeah?
Agree.
Okay, good. Let's continue. What about empowerment? Gender analysis, gender responsive, and gender-based violence.
Gender analysis.
Empowerment.
I thought is number 7 is patriarchy, is not that?
Critical examination. Okay.
Critical examination relate to gender roles, activities, rights, etc. I thought is patriarchy. No.
No, patriarchy.
I think a critical examination related to gender roles, activity, right? Extract is like gender responsive.
Gender
Mm.
responsive, isn't it?
Yes, very good.
The process of giving a group of people more freedom or right is empowerment.
Okay, let's put that here.
Gender-based violence.
Consent is not for number 8. No,
Consent is number 8.
I thought, isn't it?
Con-
Permission for something to happen or agreement to do something.
Yes,
Consent,
it's consent. Yes, I have written it here. Can you see it, Miss?
I thought it's
Consent.
consent for number 8.
Yes, consent is
Yeah,
number
okay.
8. Yeah.
And then, so number 2 is, so left only number 2, right? One at number 2 and number
Number 2
6.
is
Number 2 and number 6,
gender-based
right?
violence. Any harmful act against a person based on gender differences is a
It's
gender-based
a gender-based violence, yeah.
GBV.
Number 2, yes. So the gender analysis is number 6, isn't it?
Yeah. Identifying and reflecting action to address gender gaps.
Okay. Miss Wati and Miss Jana.
I see and I hear.
Yeah, I'm just making sure that you are still with us. Okay. Do you agree with the answer?
I'm following them.
Yeah, it's okay, Bu. Yeah. But you can see the answer there, yeah, on the screen. Miss Wati, also, you can see us. You can see.
Miss Susi,
Yes, yes.
I think for discrimination, is it for number 5 or not? No.
Discrimination and inequality. That's what we were having a little bit issue on that.
Unfair situation in society is
Number 3, no. Discrimination is
the second period of life.
unfair situation in society. No, no, yeah.
I agree unfair situation in society is discrimination.
Yeah, isn't it?
No,
Unfair.
because discrimination is what is that? Not
Kind
just
of treatment,
society, sex, race, religion as well, I think.
Okay.
Discrimination, unfair treatment or someone because of their sex, race, religion, and
Yeah, that is discrimination.
All right. Yeah. Make point. Yeah, makes sense.
So discrimination is related to the treatment, while inequality is related with the situation.
Yes.
I agree.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, good. Thank you. Have you taken notes of the answer? Okay, make sure you take notes of the answer because I'm going to delete this.
Yes.
Finish? Finish note taking already? Not yet. Okay, I'll wait.
Yeah, okay.
Dicatat dulu Ibu, ayo.
Wait. Number 2, number 3, the second period of life from the ages of 10 to 19
Adults,
is
Gender
adolescent.
violence.
adolescents.
Yeah, adolescence. Yeah.
Oh, adolescence. Adolescence. Individual refleksi. Patriarki.
All right, everyone finished?
Finish.
Okay, let me clear this, yeah? Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. So, what do you think of these pictures here? Picture 1.
Picture 1 is
Picture 1 is gender-based violence.
So, what do you think? Is it fair, unfair, good, or bad?
unfair.
It's bad,
It's
unfair.
bad, very
It's
bad.
very bad.
Okay, so, all right, does this situation happen in your surrounding?
I think it's happening everywhere in the world.
Okay. Yeah. Second one?
Second one is patriarchy.
In equality.
Patriarchy. The second one is patriarchy, isn't it?
Oh yeah, patriarchy.
Okay. This kind of can I say system, yeah? This kind of system, is it still applied?
Yes. Usually in the kampung.
In the kampung. Lucky me, I'm not living in the kampung, yeah.
Because sometimes only the boys can go to the school while the girls just stay at home. They only
Cooking, cleaning, yeah.
cooking, cleaning like that.
Oke, dulu ada istilahnya berapa 3 ur, kasur, sumur, dapur.
Dapur.
Okay, yes, all right. How about the last?
The last is gender responsive.
Gender responsive. Okay. So, is it okay?
Yep.
This one is okay, yeah. The other one is not okay, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for responding on this picture. Now let's move on to reading skills. How much do you love reading, Ibu-ibu? Not only reading sale, discount, clearance sale. Saya suka baca yang itu, 50% off. That's my favorite reading text. Okay, so we're going to do skimming and previewing. Can you guess which one is skimming, which one is previewing?
Skimming. The first is skimming.
The first is
skimming
and the
second is
second
previewing.
previewing.
Okay, if skimming is reading very fast to find main idea, so what is the main idea of this? Reading very fast, very fast.
Women and girls make up more than half the world's population, and they are more affected by poverty, climate change, food insecurity.
What is the topic? Reading very fast, remember. Very fast.
The
2
topic
seconds.
is gender responsive.
I think woman empowerment.
Woman empowerment. Okay. Right. So this is about women and girls affected by problems, yeah, or empowerment. Yeah, very good. So the tips is to do skimming or very fast reading. The first in silence, in your heart. Bacanya dalam hati aja, gitu ya. And then no hand gesture, nggak usah pakai tangan diikutin gitu ya.
Pakai ini nih, pakai ini.
No tools. And normally to find what is it about, you just see the first sentence. That's the tips ya. To see what is it about, see the first sentence. That's it ya kan. Jadi cepat gitu, sulap baru dibuka, gitu. Kok bisa sih? Pertama aja dilihat. That, ya. So that's skimming. Okay. Now we go to the previewing, to find the detail. To find the detail, normally we will focus on names, numbers, and then specific information, location, those stuff. From this text, very fast. Who's the name?
Lusin Duati
Okay. Where is she?
in Kenya
What is her profession?
as police
officer.
woman,
Okay.
police officer.
What about this?
She's a driver.
This Pelin
Pelin
Aslantas is the driver, only female driver, female bus driver in Turkey.
Kan saking cepetnya detail sih belum nanya loh Ibu. Jadi detail ya.
I got the point.
Very good. Ya udah berarti ini mau bazir dong, nggak usah. Okay, that's the detail ya. Okay. So that's previewing. So you look for the detail. If I go back, nah ini yang sulit sebentar.
As a tutor.
If I go back here, read very fast. What is the story behind Lusin Duati?
The point is the patriarchy in the Kenya is still strong. Women are not placed in the place of power. Many cases like disaggregated data show that 39.4% in Kenya women have experienced intimate partner violence. This number is much higher than the world average 20%.
Saya malah dapat summary kalau gitu, Bu. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, basically the main idea or the topic is about being a woman who works as an authority in Kenya. Yeah, they experience this, what is it? Discrimination, or inequality. All right. What about this one?
This one is
This
this one also
She's working as a female driver.
Mhm.
It's she work in what is that? Men field. That's why she often get discrimination.
Okay, all right. Miss Jana, any opinion?
No.
the Pelin Aslantas is the driver in the city among 2.2 men drivers.
Okay.
She drove for the first time early in my adolescence when she was 10 with her father's car. I think, yes.
Yes. Okay. Miss Wati,
And
how about Miss Wati? Sorry, Miss Amy. Sorry.
it's okay. Go
Sorry.
ahead.
I thought you have finished speaking. Sorry. Miss Wati, what do you think?
Sorry, I'm following.
What was that? Saya nggak nangkep tadi. Okay, yeah, it's okay ya. Now let's see. How about this one?
She's a 7 woman from gender violent tradition. Genital mutilation
In Mali.
in Mali.
Malia. Okay. So what happened to her?
She has a struggle. It's a long fight to make a woman not having what is that? Genital mutilation.
Okay, so this is something to do with gender violence, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, gender violent tradition. All right. Okay. Now, let's have a look a bit in the story. Let's do it fast, ya, sambil previewing. Oops, sorry. We have was. this one, this one, this one. Okay. I was 6. I was cut. Wasn't as lucky. So this was, and then focus on this one. Suffered,
Yes.
and then 20 years ago decided, wanted. So what can you see from the words that I underline? What? Past simple. Ini kayaknya udah ngintip bukunya nih. No, just kidding. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. So yeah, the next discussion from our topic tonight is about sorry. Yeah, past simple. There are actually 2 rules in past simple. The first one is using the verb, ya. Yang rule pertama pakai kata kerja ya, ladies. Oke, kata kerjanya past verbs, atau kalau di kamus tuh dulu ada verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 gitu ya. Kita pakai yang di tengah, yang verb 2 ya. So that's past simple rule number 1. Okay. In the text we have tadi apa, wanted gitu ya. Decided pakai ed. Itu namanya regular verbs ya, simple. Tapi ada juga yang nggak pakai ed. Pernah dengar kata sing sang sang? Aduh, ini kayak bahasa Cina, bukan, itu bahasa Inggris. Sing, ya kan? Tapi ada juga yang cut 1, 2, 3 tidak berubah. Lalu ada yang bring, brought, ya kan? Buy, bought. Nah, 1, 2, dan 3-nya yang berubah. Nah, like that. Nah, drink, betul tuh. Itu nyanyian apa itu ya? Ya, that one called irregular verbs ya. Jadi ada 2 kategori. Yang beraturan tambah ed aja, yang irregular yang acak-acakan itu tadi ya. But they have the pattern for that. Okay. That's the first rule. The second rule is using was and were. I was, and then the third person, he was, she was, it was. While second person, you can be you were, yeah, was, you were. And then the third person plural, we use they were and we were. Now, from this, can you fill in the pattern? She was 6, she was, I was, they were. So di sini, kalau she, he, it dengan was, I dengan apa?
I dengan was.
I dengan was juga. Very good. You dengan apa?
You
Where?
you were.
Okay, were. Say it were ya, ladies. Were. Yes, were. Okay. And the verb here, yeah, all subjects, just use the second verb. All right. Okay, now let's practice. This one. Complete the dialogue. Hold on. Do not speak. Please hold on. Tahan dulu. Okay. I want you to screenshot or have a picture with your cell phone. I'm going to put you into breakout rooms, yeah? And please discuss to finish this dialogue. What is that missing words? Ini sih udah ada sih, tinggal masukin aja ya. Okay, so I'm going to put the 2 rooms. Mas Yoga and Miss Vita will be joining in each of the rooms. Jadi mata-mata saya ya, please. Okay. So Miss Jana will be with Miss Wati, accompanied by Miss Vita, and then Miss Ani and Miss Umi will be with Mas Yoga. All right. So I will put you only 5 minutes ya, ibu-ibu. Please.
Okay.
5 minutes aja, nggak usah arisan ya, nggak usah lama-lama, okay? 5 minutes. All right. I'll see you in the main room in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, welcome back everyone. Thank you. Alright, saya nguping tadi sedikit sih ya, but it's very hot discussion. Oke,
Mana ada Mas Yoga, tapi Mas Yoga di silent, nggak tahu, kita ngobrol sendiri jadinya.
nggak apa-apa, bagus. Kayaknya Mas Yoga emang setelannya gitu ya, gitu kan. Okay, right. Yes. Let's read together. I would like to ask Miss Umi from the room 1 and Miss Jana from room 2 to read the dialogue. Miss Umi becomes Anita and Miss Jana to become Ellen. Yes.
Okay. Miss Jana, right?
Yes, Miss Jana. Miss Jana, are you with
Hi,
us?
Miss Jana. Hi, Miss Jana. I need your advice.
Right. Okay.
Sabar, ngambil minum tadi.
Yeah, it's okay, Bu.
In the room last minute, nothing in dialogue, anything. I'm sorry. What? Bingung. Miss Vita juga bingung, apalagi aku.
Waduh, tadi kayaknya baik-baik aja tuh saya intip. Oh.
Yang mau didiskusikan kan yang di screenshot yang discuss and complete the dialogue one.
Yes, betul Ibu.
Tapi maksudnya Miss Vita yang ada di file grup, jadinya antara saya jadi bingung. Perasaan tadi Miss Susi itu menjelaskan, memerintahkan untuk men-screenshot yang discuss completed the dialogue one, tapi ternyata berbeda.
Oke, salah saya Ibu, harusnya saya cross check tadi ya, udah paham gitu ya, baru dilempar. Keburu
By the
dilempar,
way, Kak.
Keburu dipisah soalnya.
keburu dilempar.
Halo.
Ya,
Harusnya saya jangan dipisahkan.
bener ya, aduh. Maaf ya, saya memisahkan. Alright.
Saya pisahkan dengan orang-orang yang sudah bisa.
Oke.
Karena saya tidak bisa.
Ya, oke Ibu, just read ya, just baca aja Ibu, just read. Ibu, you read Alan's part and Miss Umi will be reading Anita's part ya. Nanti saya bantu. I will help, okay?
Oke.
Alright. Miss Umi, can you repeat again?
Okay. Hello, Miss Jana. I need your advice.
Hai Anita, hai Umi. What is the bot?
You worked on a case of gender-based violence in the workplace last year, right?
Yes, I was. Why?
Okay.
Yes, I do. Yes, I.
Kalau do ini berubahnya jadi did ya. Yes, did. Okay.
Yes, I work or worked.
Yes, I did. Di sini, di second one, yes, I did ya.
Anita, Umi.
Did you face any challenges? I mean, what made it difficult?
Well, we
Work.
Again, a big company, so one of the victims.
Okay. The victims di sini to be. To be tadi ada was sama were. Kalau victims dengan S berarti lebih dari satu orang.
Oh iya ya, berarti were.
Jadi di sini apa Ibu?
Were.
Ya, good.
Were scared to come forward, and that kind of ya, berarti apa ya of ya?
Ini Ibu, no. Fokusnya di sini Bu, di kata affect yang dikurung ya. The one in bracket, the words in brackets here.
Oh, affected.
Yes.
Affected.
Iya. Harus ada ya.
Affect.
Nya. Affected, okay.
Affect The others. The others.
Okay, one more time ya, sekali lagi ya Ibu. Okay, but this one between Miss Annie and Miss Wati, please. Udah ada jawabannya, tinggal dibaca. You just read. Miss Annie,
Oh, iya.
read
Siapa dulu? Wati apa saya dulu?
Miss Annie reading Anita's part, and then Miss Wati reading Alan's part. Okay, Miss Wati?
All right.
Okay.
Hey Wati, I need your advice.
Hi Annie, sure. What is about?
Is it out? You work on a case of gender-based violence in the workplace last year, right?
Yes, I did. Why?
Did you face any challenges? What made it difficult?
Well, we were
We
again.
Yes, we
Well,
were.
we were against.
Well, we were again a big company, so one of the victim.
Lanjut, masih Alan soalnya.
Apa?
Masih Alan itu, masih Alan.
Yes, continue reading.
Oh, masih.
Continue.
Where be scared to come post for what?
Ah,
For
that
what?
kind of
Kind of
that kind of
and that kind of.
affected.
Lanjut Ibu.
Oh, masih ada ya?
Ibu.
Affected the other.
The others. Okay, yes. Thank you very much. Okay. This is ini baru yang pertama loh Ibu-ibu. Have you written the answer? Sudah di copy? Dicatat? Notes already?
Di kopi, di teh.
Malam ini komplit, ada soto, ada fried chicken, ada kopi, ada teh. Oke.
Aku garingan, wo. Kering ini.
High five, ya Bu. High five, toss. Oke. Alright, finish writing it down. Saya hapus ya. Okay, good. Next one is this. Nah, loh, lebih panjang ini. Longer and more numbers, ya.
Lebih mumet lagi.
Mumet lagi.
Saya lempar lagi ya ke grup, breaking rooms, tapi saya tukar posisi antara Miss Annie dengan Miss Umi, bertukar tempat. So Miss Annie and Miss Wati will be in the first room. Miss Jana and Miss Umi will be in the second room. Sudah difoto? Kalaupun belum, di bukunya ada sih sebenarnya. Ya, you have that in your book as well. Alright, finish taking picture of the dialogue.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, ya. Alright, so I will send you in the breakout rooms for another 5 minutes. Any question? Nih, mau saya lempar, saya nanya dulu deh. No question, all clear ya? Okay, I'll see you in 5 minutes. Hati-hati di jalan.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hello, okay, welcome back. Yes, any problem with the discussion?
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
But I couldn't spell on the last sentence. That di belakangnya ada D, dibacanya gimana, Miss?
Which one?
Lisa, on the last, yeah.
Oh, that'd be great. Tidak usah dibilang, tidak apa-apa.
Oh, okay.
That'd be great. Okay. That would be great. Kalau dipanjangin ya. That would be great. Okay.
That would be great. Oh, that one would.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now I would like to ask for a volunteer. Sukarelawati, yuk. Volunteer, please. Who would like to read Raffi? Who would like to be Lisa?
Me.
Ya, Ibu, you become Raffi or Lisa?
Raffi.
Raffi ya. Okay.
Raffi Ahmad.
Raffi non Ahmad. Okay, and then who is Lisa? Who wants to be Lisa?
Miss Umi, please. Or Miss Wati. Miss Annie. Miss, I miss you.
I miss you too, Bu. Wants to read? Miss Raffi, kayaknya harus Miss Gigi satunya ya. Raffi dan Gigi. Ini Raffi sama Lisa. Yuk.
Miss Raffi plus Miss Gigi.
Iya.
Do you remember the seminar we attended last week? Lisa. Oh, do you know mean the one about gender responsive policy? I didn't go. How was it?
Yes.
I heard it.
I heard.
Sambil kacamataan sebentar. Number 3, I heard it. It was great. Ravi, where were you? You missed a great opportunity to learn. The speakers were amazing. Lisa, I had to help some client with a consent form. Raffi, oh, that's too bad. But I recorded the session on my phone, Anita. Told me we called do so. Do you want the recordings? Lisa, ya Allah, aku nganu dewe kan. That's Kipri. That's be great. You are the best. Ya Allah, aku susahan membaca that's. Apa itu?
Saya mau tepuk tangannya pakai banyak tangan ini. Solo performance ya. Ya Allah, luar biasa, Masya Allah.
Itu Miss Umi itu.
Solo performance jadinya. Ya Allah, terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much for that one. Miss Vita, yes, if you have to go, it's okay. Bener ya? Yeah, it's okay, Miss Vita. Thank you very much for coming. Okay. All right. Now, so any questions, ladies, about the simple past or past simple? Orang bilangnya simple past, ada past simple ya. Basically, this tenses is to talk about the past. Kita bicara masa lalu gitu ya, kita bicara yang sudah berlalu, sudah lewat dan seterusnya. Miss Annie sudah masuk?
Sudah.
Oke, ya kayaknya tadi kepental sendiri ya.
Nggak tahu, mungkin sinyal kali ya, karena diam saja layarnya nggak bergerak.
Ya, sometimes ya signal is really apa
Iya.
namanya?
Saya ternyata ngomong sendiri dari tadi di grup.
Sadarnya kapan itu, Bu?
Sadarnya setelah udah nggak ada suara.
Okay, all right. Yeah, so if you have no question, let's proceed to our next activity. Tadi ngomongin orang ya, the dialogue is about someone else, other people. Now let's talk about you. What about you? Let's talk about your experiences as a migration activist. What problem that you had? When did that happen? Who was involved? What did you do to solve the problem? And what did you learn from that problem? Boleh dirancang dulu, ibu-ibu, ladies. You can take notes for. I will give you 1 to 2 minutes, ya, 1 sampai 2 menit saja, 1 to 2 minutes to draft or to take notes, to prepare for your answer. As a migration activist, the problem I had, I will give you guidance in the chat box, yeah, ladies. You can check the chat box. You can stop like that. As a migration activist, the problem I had was blah, blah, blah. Kemudian it happened. Okay, so that's the draft of your story. Okay, who wants to start? Who is ready? You don't have to make a novel ya, ladies.
Maybe I'm starting first.
Nanti jadi bikin novel, cerita bersambung. No. Okay, yes, Miss, please, if you want to start first.
Okay, just only one case only because it's lots of case, a lot of cases. So I just talk about one cases only.
All right.
The problem, what problem was it? So I crashed with the agencies. When did it happen? About 2007, maybe 2007 or 2008. I forgot the times. And who is involved is brokers, calo, yeah, brokers. Yeah, calo. And then what did you do to solve the problem? The first, of course, we discussing with the organization. After that, we collect all the what bukti lupa.
Proof.
Yeah, the proof, and then we go to the Indonesian consulate in Hong Kong. This happened in Hong Kong, so how to call that? It's like penipuan. Jadi ada 11
Yes.
cowok yang katanya mau dikirim ke Korea, but then itu penipuan ya. Jadi dia alasannya ditransit ke Hong Kong. Satu orang itu 40 juta. Ya, satu orang 40 juta itu ada 11 orang. Jadi rencananya sebelum ke Korea, dia itu transit dulu di Hong Kong. Tapi then udah berapa hari nggak berangkat, akhirnya ada salah satu yang lapor ke kita. Akhirnya kita gali, ternyata tidak sesuai prosedur, unprocedural. Lalu kita push, maksudnya untuk segera mengurus kasus ini, mengusut kasus ini gitu. Saya tanya satu persatu, ada satu orang yang ngeyel tidak mau diurus kasusnya gitu. Ternyata satu dari 11 orang tersebut itu calonnya gitu. Jadi kita sempat bersih tegang di situ. Yang 10 minta pulang, yang satu nggak mau minta pulang karena itu ternyata calonnya gitu. Akhirnya kita lapor ke konsulat, diproses, dan ya memang urusannya panjang sekali ya karena memang berurusan dengan unprocedural proses, jadinya butuh effort. Terus apa yang dipelajari dari ini, what did you learn? Jangan terlalu gampang percaya dengan orang yang menawarkan pekerjaan ke luar negeri, especially kalau mereka bilang there is no language needed, apa skill needed, itu bullshit. Jadi saya selalu mengkampanyekan seperti itu. Jadi kalau misalkan ada agensi atau calo atau apapun yang menyampaikan bahwa bahasa tidak penting, skill tidak penting, itu kita patut curiga. Itu sih yang saya pelajari dari kasus ini. Jadi karena kan satu orang 40 juta sudah dibayangkan 10 orang berarti berapa puluh juta. Ada yang jual tanah, jual sapi, jual macam-macam, ada yang utang gitu. Seperti itu sih kasusnya, Miss, yang saya sampaikan satu aja ya karena banyak banget.
Yeah. I think if you tell us a lot of cases, kayaknya kita sampai sahur.
Iya, sampai 2 minggu.
Bahkan ya, okay. Alright, thank you, Miss Annie, for sharing. So, if I may conclude, so this is about scam job, yeah, about scam job. Some people were promised to be sent to Korea for a job, but the first step they have to transfer some amount of money to the broker side, and then after some investigation, then it's revealed that the job was not exist. Yeah, actually.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, Miss Annie. Who's
Thanks, Penny.
Yeah, very sad. I heard about that a lot.
Yeah.
Who's next? Siapa lagi yang mau sharing? Ayo,
Ayo, Mbak Umi, Mbak Wati, Mbak Jana.
yuk, sharing saja.
I'm not a migration activist, so I just share about
Ya, ya. Personal problem, boleh nggak ya?
about the problem of domestic workers in here in Malaysia, because
Personal problem.
there are many problem that we assist the case, like mostly unpaid salary. Our organization sometimes assisted the victim, so we try to get the salary of the victim from the employer. Sometimes the case we refer to embassy or NGO, or sometimes we assist, if easy, we assisted the organization will assist the case. So who was involved? Who was involved? It
involved.
It involved the agency, employer, mostly like that. And what did you solve the problem? To solve the problem like that, it's not easy because it's a complicated. It's a long. We have to fight for the because what is that? Undang-undang kayak gitu.
Law.
Yeah, because we don't
Regulation.
we in here in Malaysia, they didn't accept us as a worker. So that's why we as a domestic worker exclude from the right of the work of the worker. So some of domestic worker, they didn't get the an off day, didn't get they have long hours working. They only little rest. So as an organization, we fight for decent work.
Okay.
That's it.
And what did you learn from that?
I learned that to have our right, we have to fight. We have to make all domestic worker their voice can be heard.
Okay. Yes. Maybe joining a union, joining community, ya Ibu ya.
Yeah, that's why we always recruit domestic worker to join to us as a organization. Pertimik is Indonesian Domestic Worker Organization.
Oh, I thought it is the name of a location, bukan ya?
No, Pertimik is Persatuan Pekerja Rumah Tangga Indonesia. Persatuan Pekerja Rumah Tangga Indonesia, Indonesian migrant.
Okay, Indonesian migrant. Okay.
Yeah, Indonesian Migrant Domestic Worker Association.
I see. Okay. Oh, thank you for sharing, Miss Umi. Take care of yourself, there. I mean, because you are in a.
I'm lucky because my boss is very nice. I have off day every Sunday. I get the salary every month, but we have to voice for our friends that they didn't get their right. So kita jadi corong suara mereka.
We have to be the voice, ya. We have to be the voice of the voiceless, gitu kali ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, the voice of the voiceless. All right. Thank you for sharing, Miss Umi. Okay. Next, is it Miss Wati or Miss Jana? Okay. Miss Jana dulu boleh.
I worked in Dhabi after 2 years in Saudi Arabia. The problem, my employer not provide salary for 8 months. Give me 8 months. They said given me after 24 months contract.
Okay.
I went to ask the police for help to solve the problem.
Mhm.
Be any street jalan siapa,
Iya, Ibu. Yes, go on.
and they just put in the immigration office to be processed to go home. Langsung dipulangkan, tidak meminta majikannya kami untuk bernegosiasi, nothing.
Okay.
The reason is that we must have a legal work contract paper. Wajib membuka, open and read contract paper.
Okay.
Jika tidak, itu sangat menjadi problem ketika kita tidak membacanya. So that you know the contract can accordance with the contract. Pokoknya harus membaca sebisa mungkin dan sedetail mungkin sebelum berangkatan.
Okay.
Because in apa ya namanya, apa sih, di Timur Tengah rata-rata itu memang sangat-sangat tertutup untuk segala hal tentang work and legal work-nya. Jadi saya karena masih buta, waktu itu masih buta. Jadi saya masih bodoh lah, masih belum mempelajari. Nah, setelah ini saya baru belajar lagi. Mendapatkan pelajaran bahwa kontrak harus dibaca jelas. Seperti itu.
Okay. All right. So the lesson learned is to really understand the contract before your departure. Ya, Ibu. Or maybe before you sign the contract ya.
Maybe.
Iya, bahkan sebelum tanda tangan mungkin ya, bukan sebelum berangkat tapi sebelum tanda tangan kali ya Bu ya.
Saya tidak membaca kontraknya karena tidak dikasih.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Even you never see you never see your contract until today.
Even reading or seeing paper kontrak, kayak nggak tahu kayak apa kontraknya.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Thank you Ibu for sharing. That will be lesson learned for everyone ya, for everyone before apa ya, before deciding maybe ya Ibu, sebelum memutuskan ya, before deciding to take the job from someone gitu ya, apalagi ke luar negeri ya, like the one that Miss Annie tadi bilang ya kan, inflation ya, agak-agak berhubungan lah gitu ya. Okay, thank you Miss Jana, and now I come to Miss Wati. What do you want to share to us?
Oke, saya coba ya.
Ya, silakan.
Problem was overtime migrant work problem, kerja lebih masa. This happened M1 1 bulan yang lalu, M1 was involved with employer, and what did you do to solve the problem? I'm diskusi with employer and tim advokasi SBMI, Serikat Buruh Migran Indonesia, untuk menyelesaikan ini. Dan I think working time discrimination overtime, kerja lebih masa. Rasanya itu lah. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Good job, Miss Wati. Okay. Yeah, all right. Thank you very much, everyone. Woo, that's a very intense ya. Yang di akhir cerita, kenapa jadi ceritanya nggak enak sih? Harusnya kan ya happy-happy aja ya. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Our meeting for tonight. Okay. Before I close the session, do you have any question? Apakah ada yang mau ditanyakan sebelum kita melepas baju dan tidur? Salah. Ya, before we say goodbye, alah nggak usah pakai goodbye lah. Minggu depan, 2 minggu lagi ketemu lagi ya ibu-ibu. Oke.
Saya harus belajar kata D, kata ed, kata
Ya, ya. Kapan itu saya nggak apa-apa ibu. Kapan itu kan saya share ya di grup ada apa namanya podcast ya BBC Learning English podcast gitu ya. Gitu boleh itu didengerin ya. You just listen nanti abis denger apa namanya mining gitu ya ngikutin gitu ya. Ngikutin itu bisa apa namanya mudah-mudahan bisa fasih gitu ya Bu ya dengan mengikuti meniru
nonton film yang tanpa teks bahasa Inggris saya jadi mendengarnya itu tidak asik kalau mungkin ada teksnya saya jadi agak sedikit-sedikit tahu kata dasarnya itu kan disambung-sambungin saya jadi paham tapi kalau benar-benar hanya mendengarkan tanpa teks.
Oke. Gini Bu, sebenarnya podcast itu ada teksnya loh. Ya, saya kasih tahu ya, ini bocorannya nih, aduh.
Aku menonton film.
Biasanya ada sisi kayak gitu ditekan aja.
Ini loh, ini kan yang saya share ini ya, Real Easy English yang ini ada podcastnya. Sebentar, ada yang chatting, Miss, ada Kak clear suaranya. Oh ya, mungkin Miss Eni memang terkendala sinyal ya. Gak apa-apa Miss Eni. Nanti boleh dengar recordingnya nih kan kelasnya saya rekam nanti saya share lagi. Nah, so from this podcast nanti misalnya ya, ibu-ibu kita klik aja nih saya mau dengerin ini talking about childhood. Ini memang nggak ada videonya karena hanya podcast ya, hanya suara aja. Tapi di sebelah sini ada tulisannya ibu-ibu, download PDF, download audio atau download transkrip. Saya mau tahu apa sih yang mereka omongin gitu ya. Coba kita klik kita buka. Ini coba saya play dulu ya. Sebentar. Saya play biar kita dengar sama. Ini nggak ada yang harus buru-buru pulang kemana kan? Nggak apa-apa. Kita sampai jam 12 malam kalau sama saya. Jangan main-main. Oh. Oke. Ini saya play ya ibu-ibu. Saya play. Tadi kan saya udah.
Hello and welcome to Real Easy English, the podcast where we have real conversations in easy English to help you learn. I'm Neil.
And I'm Beth. You can find a video of this podcast and find a worksheet to help you learn on our website,
British accent.
bbclearningenglish.com.
No, this American, not British. American accents.
Hello, Beth. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you, Neil?
I'm very happy. The sun is shining today.
It is. It's a beautiful day.
What are we talking about?
Today we're talking about our childhoods. So we'll talk about life, how it was, what our lives were like when we were children.
How interesting. Let's get started.
So, Neil, what do you remember most about your childhood?
Udah, nanti nggak tidur nanti jam berapa. Ya, that's the way ya, ibu-ibu. Jadi kalau
In Malaysia already 11 o'clock.
nanti di jam saya juga 10 lewat sekian. Ya, so like that ya ibu. This is only podcast. Memang ini cuma suara doang. Gimana sih itu sih orang nonton ada gambarnya saya nggak ngerti. Ini cuma suara doang. Gimana sih gitu. Nah, tapi ada transkripnya. You have the transcript, so you can read along. Namanya read along. Jadi membaca sambil kita dengerin gitu ya. Nah, dari situ mudah-mudahan hopefully from there you can get an insight gitu ya, dapat gambaran, oh tulisan kayak gitu tuh bacanya begitu, oh tulisan ini suaranya begitu gitu ya. So you will have that knowledge ya, new information. Nah, selain juga ketika sudah paham isi podcastnya apa, kan jadi bisa cerita lagi gitu ya. Oh, it was talking about childhood. Apa tuh childhood ya? Oh, masa anak-anak atau gitu. You get some new words. Nah, kalau bisa ibu-ibu setidaknya at least listen to one podcast per day, paling nggak satu podcast aja sehari ya, and then provide, oh ya nggak apa-apa Bu Eni, and then provide your notes, mungkin punya buku notes kecil gitu ya, catatan kecil, jadi setiap habis dengerin podcast gitu atau sambil dengarkan podcast ditulis satu kata, jadi hari ini dapat berapa kata ya gitu. Nah itu bisa buat boosting vocabulary. Jadi no worries lah, nggak usah terlalu khawatir ya. Bisa kita saling bantu lah, We will help each other. Nanti kalau saya ada link lagi yang bisa saya bagikan ke teman-teman semua dari grup, nanti akan saya bagikan. Nanti materi hari malam ini yang PowerPoint slideshow, kalau mau juga nanti saya share di grup. Sebenarnya itu dari buku aja, cuma saya transfer sedikit ke bentuk PowerPoint supaya lebih mudah dilihat. Gitu.
Terus kalau itu Miss, kalau singing orang-orang luar negeri kan mereka juga sama kan, kalau ngomong itu beda dengan tulisan. Ini lagi yang viral banget itu yang Pretty.
Apa itu?
Apa Bu? Oh hilang Bu, habis Prit Bu, Prit. Nggak boleh Bu, Prit.
Lagi
Friend.
Yang mana Bu? Prit apa? Kita hilang suaranya.
Baby, Pretty Little Baby kayak gitu. Kan sekarang lagi
the song.
Little baby.
Pretty little baby.
Oh, that one. Yeah. From a song, it is okay to learn the words from a song. Tapi saya memang tidak terlalu rekomen karena kalau lagu itu banyak kata yang simplify, dirubah, sama aja sih kayak kita
kadang,
ya. Jadi
kadang ada bahasa slangnya di situ, kadang ada bahasa slang.
Mungkin kalau untuk easy listening aja nggak apa-apa, tapi kalau untuk formal occasion saya tidak sarankan. Kalau dari BBC Learning English ini kan official website buat belajar ya, jadi ibu bisa dari aja, mungkin itu lebih baik dan lebih formal gitu, lebih kepake di sini daripada lagu. Nggak apa-apa juga dengerin lagu, nggak ada yang salah dengan itu. Nonton film juga oke, tapi memang akan ada beberapa kata yang tidak bisa dipakai ketika kita nanti join forum yang formal gitu ya, atau menulis yang itu nggak bisa.
Siap.
Oke. Any other question? Ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan? Kasihan nih Miss Umi udah jam 11.
No worries. I always sleeping late.
Oh, you always sleep late? What time do you get up?
7 o'clock.
Oh, 7 o'clock.
6.
Okay, all right. But your boss is not. They are okay with that, yeah?
Yeah, they are okay.
All right.
Here I'm in the kitchen.
Yeah. Any more question? Miss Wati mungkin ada yang mau disampaikan? Tidak ada?
Saya masih gagap gempita.
Nggak apa-apa Ibu, kan masih belajar. It's okay. It's okay. Insya Allah nanti habis belajar bareng-bareng ini bisa minimal lebih pede ya Ibu. Karena sebenarnya belajar bahasa itu perkaranya ada di pembiasaan aja gitu. Bahasa itu kalau nggak dipakai emang ya
Hilang.
Ya betul,
Hilang,
harus
bener.
dipakai hari-hari.
Betul. Kayak saya aja udah pada hilang bahasanya, udah kaku, nggak dipakai sih.
Tapi masih ada di sini, jadi tinggal di recall aja memorinya, tinggal dipanggil kembali. Ayo dong hadir gitu kan. Nah,
Iya, kadang mikir dulu apa ya mikir gitu, karena saking nggak pernah dipakainya jadi loading.
It's normal. Everybody experience that way. Okay, in this case, let's call it a day. Ya. Kita sudahi sampai di sini meeting minggu ini. Minggu depan dengan Miss Vita.
Ih,
Dan saya linknya yang itu aja ya ibu-ibu. Jadi kalau misalnya mau masuk room duluan dan saya udah ada di situ, kita bisa gosip dulu lah, gitu ya.
Oke.
Jangan lupa
Terima kasih. Thank you for
hibah
teaching
dulu
us
ya.
to say.
sebelum izin kita foto dulu ya.
Ya,
Grup
dan
6.
ya, ayo
Ah,
foto. Saya udah oily begini.
Sebentar aku buka bisa apa enggak ya? Coba saya buka bisa apa enggak?
Ayo, bisa
Nggak
ibu.
bisa dibuka loh.
Bisa. Aku pura kacamataan
Kan
dari
nggak
orang
bisa dibuka nih kameranya nih.
Bisa ini nggak bisa, tapi kan ada fotonya, nggak apa-apa lah, besok lagi.
Oh ya wes, oke. Ya ya ya.
Nggak ada yang ngitung.
Satu, dua, cheese.
Udah?
Oke, udah?
Nih,
Udah kayak.
Ya.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Miss Susie for teaching us.
Thank you very much for coming, ibu-ibu, ladies. I will see you again in 2 weeks from now. Yes, 2 weeks.
alright, thank you.
Okay.
Bye
Good
bye.
night all.
Bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night. Pretty little bird.